Hello friends, in our previous video we have done the example based on AP. Today we are doing example 2. Let us begin. First term and common difference are given below. Write 5 terms of each AP means here common difference D, first term A are given. We have to calculate the 5 next terms of arithmetic progression. The first part is A is 2, D is 5. So, the terms of AP we are using our previous knowledge also. First term is A, second term is adding D to A. We have to add the common difference to the first term will give T2. Then for T3 term 3 we use the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. N means third term 3. So, the third term will be A plus 2D. Similarly, for fourth term, by writing the formula A plus 4 minus 1 into D, fourth term will be A plus 3D, fifth term will be A plus 4D. N minus 1 is taken, the number is 1 less than the number of term. Now, when we have A and D with us, we know the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. We can easily substitute the values and get the required AP series. We write the AP now. First term is A, 2 we have written, then comma. Second term is A plus D. A is 2, D is 5. We are adding. So, it is 2 plus 5. Next is third term A plus 2D. Means write A as 2 plus 2D means 2 multiply 5. Value of D is 5. We write it as 2 plus 2 multiply 5, comma. Fourth term will be A plus 3D. A is 2 plus 3 multiply D is 5. And similarly the last term is A plus 4D. A is 2 plus 4 multiply D is 5. 2 plus 4 multiply 5. And after calculation work, we are having the required AP series as 2 first term, 2 plus 5 7 second term, 2 plus 2 multiply 5 10, 2 plus 10 12, third term is 12, fourth term 2 plus 3 multiply 5, 3 multiply 5 is 15 plus 2 17, fourth term 17, and the last term fifth 2 plus 4 multiply 5, that is 2 plus 20 is equal to 22. Therefore, the 5 terms of given AP will be 2, 7, 12, 17 and 22. Proceeding further, second part, A is minus 3, B is 4. The series will be easy, but we have to be very alert for the minus sign. The series will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D as we have already done in first part. And for A we have to be alert. We start, AP will be first term A minus 3, it is easy, comma. Second term A plus D, here minus 3 plus 1 into D, D is 4. So, we write minus 3 plus 1D, 1 into 4. Next term A plus 2D, A is minus 3, D is 4. We write minus 3 plus 2 into 4. Fourth term A plus 3D, A is minus 3, D is 4. We put the values. Therefore, fourth term is minus 3 plus 3 into 4. And the last term will be minus 3 plus 4 into 4. After calculation work, we get the next terms. Minus 3 first term, minus 3 plus 4 plus 1, that is second term, minus 3 plus 8 is equal to plus 5, it is the third term. Then minus 3 plus 12, 4 3s are 12, minus 3 plus 12 will be plus 9, it is our fourth term. And the last term will be minus 3 plus 4 4s are 16, minus 3 plus 16 is 13. In this way, we obtain our desired AP series as minus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 9 and plus 13. We can also write a number of terms depending upon the question. Here we were given to write only 5 terms. So we are writing minus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 9 and plus 13 only. The next part, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 1 upon 2. We write the series as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. So, substituting the values of A and D, the required AP will be, in place of A, we write the first term 3. It is given in the question. First term is 3. Second term, A plus D, 3 plus half. Or we can say 3 plus 1 into D, 1 into half, it is again half. Third term will be A plus 2D, means 3 plus 2 into half, 2D. Fourth term, A plus 3D, means A is 3 plus 3 into D is half, 3 plus 3 into half. And finally, the fifth term, 3 plus 4 into half. And doing the basic algebraic calculations, we get first term 3, then second term 3 plus half, third term 3 plus 1, 2 and 2 get cancels, 3 plus 1. Next term is 3 plus 3 by 2, and the final term is 3 plus 2. 2 2s are 4, cancellation, and 3 plus 2 is left. And then in the last step, we have the sequence after addition. First term is 3, second term 3 plus half, taking LCM, it is 7 by 2. Third term 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. Fourth term is 3 plus 3 by 2, that is 6 plus 3 by 2, 9 by 2. And the final term is 3 plus 2, 5. We hope you are understanding the steps. If not, please comment in our comment box and ask for your queries. Finally, the fourth part, where A is 2 and D is minus half, we start the answer in the same manner. The series will be A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and A plus 4D. Then substituting the values of A and D, we get the AP as first term A, that is 2, A plus 1D, that is 2 plus D here is minus half. So we have to use the brackets, 2 plus bracket minus half. It is our second term. Then third term will be A plus 2D, means A is 2 plus 2 multiplied by minus half. Next is fourth term, A plus 3D, means 2 plus 3 multiplied by minus half. And the final term, A plus 4D, means 2 multiplied by 4 into minus half. Now the next line, we do the basic calculations. First term as it is 2, second term 2 minus half when we open the brackets. Third term 2 and half get cancels, it gives us minus 1. So third term will be 2 minus 1. Fourth term 2 minus 3 by 2. 3 multiplies with minus half gives minus 3 by 2. So the fourth term will be 2 minus 3 by 2. And the final term will be 2 minus 2. 4 gets cancelled with half, gives minus 2. Fifth term is 2 minus 2. And again doing the LCM and subtraction, we have the series as 2, 3 by 2, 1, 1 by 2 and 0. In this manner, we can find a number of series using A and D and the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Hope you understand how to solve these sums. In next video, we will practice more sums. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more notifications. That is all for today. Practice these sums from your course book and work hard. Take care. Bye bye.